The Bihar Assembly election delivered a sweeping mandate for the NDA, led by Nitish Kumar and the BJP, with the alliance crossing the 202-seat mark by the end of counting on Friday to secure a decisive victory. The BJP emerged as the single largest party with 92 seats, followed closely by the JDU, which won 85, while Chirag Paswan's LJP secured 19 seats. The Mahagathbandhan, meanwhile, collapsed to just 35 seats in total, with the RJD managed only 25, the Congress 6, and the left parties together picked up just 3 seats. With this mandate, Nitish Kumar is now set for a record 10 term as Chief Minister. The NDA secured 46.52% of the total votes, outpacing the Mahagathbandhan's 37.64%. Asaduddin Owaisi's AIMIM once again performed strongly in the Muslim-majority Simانchal belt, winning 5 seats. Meanwhile, Prashant Kishore's Jan Swaraj Party, despite contesting 238 seats with claims of offering alternative politics, failed to win a single seat and even lost deposits in several constituencies with an overall vote share of just 2%. Many JSP candidates polled fewer votes than Nota. As the NDA swept Bihar, the report suggests that the number of Muslim MLAs in the assembly fell to just 10, the lowest figure since 1990 across the last 8 consecutive elections, despite Muslims constituting 17.7% of Bihar's population, according to the state's CAST survey. Both the NDA and the Mahagathbandhan fielded significantly fewer Muslim candidates compared to the 2020 elections, contributing to the drop. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed party workers in New Delhi, celebrating what he called a Prachand Jeet, invoking Chati Maiya and declaring that Bihar had voted for development while rejecting what he described as the RJD's communal Muslim Yadav formula and Jungle Raj. Nitish Kumar expressed gratitude to voters, saying that they had shown immense confidence in the NDA government. BJP President JP Nadda described the result as tsunami, claiming that they reflected the people's unwavering faith in Prime Minister Modi and the politics of development. On the opposition side, Rahul Gandhi said the results were truly surprising, alleging that the election was not fair from the beginning and reiterating that the fight was for the protection of the constitution and democracy. Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut alleged foul play, claiming that Election Commission and the BJP had worked together to execute a national agenda similar to what he called a pattern of the 2024 Maharashtra Assembly polls. Mukesh Saini, the Mahagathbandhan's deputy CM face, said, although the alliance had been defeated, they would stand with the people to ensure that they were not cheated. Calling the BJP a party of deceit, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav strongly criticized Bihar mandate, alleging manipulation through special intensive revision. Meanwhile, Congress leader Pawan Khera also launched a sharp attack on the process, arguing that the mandate itself reflected deeper institutional issues rather than political contest. BJP's Maithili Thakur, after winning the Alinagar seat, expressed joy, saying that the victory belonged to the people and asserted that the constituency would become Sita Nagar for sure, echoing the wider Hindutva cultural project. Even jailed JDU leader Anand Singh won the Mokama seat for the 6th time, contesting from the prison in the Durachand Yadav murder case. Dipankar Bhattacharya, the General Secretary of the Communist Party of India, Marxist Leninist Liberation (CPI-ML), in a sharp statement questioned the credibility of the results, stating that the outcome was by no means natural, alleging that there are special intensive revision stains all over it. He pointed out that unexpected delivery of 30,000 crore to 3 crore beneficiaries during the election period, which he argued had torn apart all notions of electoral ethics and the moral code of conduct. Bhattacharya said, at a time when the Nitish Kumar government's credibility was at its lowest and when the Modi government had lost major portion of its support just a year ago, the replication of the 2010 style mandate after 15 years is beyond credibility. He announced that CPI-ML would conduct a detailed analysis of the result and draw the necessary lessons. Have won 2 seats, Paliganj and Karakhat. In the 2020 Bihar Legislative Assembly election, the party secured 12 seats, making it the fifth largest party in the Bihar Legislative Assembly. Notably, Osama Shahab, son of the late Muhammad Shahabuddin, won, marking the family's return to the assembly after 21 years.